So how to decorate these things? Just in his mind he is thinking. And Gopal Bhatta Goswami is so much attached with Lord Chaitanya day and night, and he remembered Chaitanya Mahaprabhu because he got association with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from his early age. So day and night Gopal Bhatta Goswami he remembered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And now he is Thakurji Rasgulla. Salagram very nice. But how to decorate? Then Gopal Bhatta Goswami just he went to taking some Madhukari. Madhukari from the Brajavasi's house. Because our Goswamis, they perform bhajan and sadhana Vrindavan and Kobuchana, Kobumana. Sometimes they get some chickpeas and some chickpeas. Or sometimes also nothing. Chapanda danda ratri dine Radha Govinda bina nahi jane. Chari danda sute thake sapone Radha Govinda de. Or Goswami how they did the perform bhajan and sadhana. Sankha Prabhuka nama gana nativi kalo avasana krito nidra ahara vihar gaje vijito chatna jana chal. Radha Krishna gunasmite madhurima anandana sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. 6 Goswamis. How did they perform bhajan sadhana Vrindavan? We cannot do this. Day and night, how many? 60 dandas. How many dandas? 60. One danda means 24 minutes. Or 60 danda means how many? 24 hours. So, but the Chapanda Danda Ratri Dine Radha Govinda Bina nahi hai. They only take rest 4 dandas. Of 56 dandas they always were absorbed to bhajan and sadhana, chanting holy names, writing grantha. Are only 4 dandas they took rest. 4 danda means how many minutes? 96 minutes. 1 hour 36 minutes. Or within the 1 hour 36 minutes, sometimes they used to go taking madhikari, and sometimes they also taking rest. Vaishnava take sleeping, taking rest, and in the Sapane Radha Govinda they understand? In their dream had come Radha and Govinda. So now coming this way, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, when he went to take collect some arms, Madhukari. When he returned back, then he saw his Thakurji manifest a very nice, beautiful form. That is called Balo Radha Raman ki jai. Other deities manifested by someone. But this Radha Raman, that's Vigraha, that is called here self-manifested. You go Vrindavan, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, 3 deities. But these 3 deities manifested by who? I told Krishna's great grandson Vajranath. Not Brajanath. When I am saying that, what you are saying? Vajranath. You understand? But Radha Raman, that is called self-manifested Vigraha. Sataspad. You can see, if you go Radha Raman temple, see that the salagram also are behind his back also. And that Vigraha, one facility is also there. You cannot see any Vigraha's teeth. Here Thakurji Vigraha. Have you seen teeth or not?
No.
No? But Radharaman, very nice, beautiful teeth. I think how many? 2 or 3, 4. No? Very nice. Very small. Thakurji is very small. But you cannot see it a little bit far. When Thakurji is very coming very close, when the Pujari worship the Thakurji, and especially any special festival, and that time the Pujari of Radharaman and keeping Thakurji very close, then you can see the Thakurji very nice, beautiful teeth.
Why does he have teeth?
Huh?
Why does he have teeth?
Why?
Yeah.
Why not? What is it? Why? Thakurji did Leela. He smiled. Just you told, no? And Rupa Goswami Pad explained Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Hasarash. Five types of principal rasa or 7 types of secondary rasa. So secondary rasa is what? 7. That's because it is what? Hasa means to smile. Rupa Goswami Pad explained Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, different kinds of also love. And very nice, beautiful explained even. You told, no? Who told? And very nice katha is there. Rupa Goswami Pad explained and giving the example also there. So Thakurji, just to coming my subject, Thakurji smiled. Because Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he felt pang of separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And now, manifested Thakurji, very nice, beautiful, and Radharaman. Actually, who is this Radharaman? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because this Radharaman actually coming from the inner court of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Are 3 deities manifest in this form of Radharaman: Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Only you take darshan to Madan Mohan, only you will get one benefit. Because Madan Mohan is called the Samandradhishthatri Devata, the presiding deities of Samandagan relationship. Govinda Dev is called the presiding deities of Abhidya Tattva. Or Gopinath is called the presiding deities of Prayojan Tattva or goal. So 3 deities. If you go Vrindavan, you have to take darshan 3 deities: Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Understand? Madan Mohan Charan darshan, and you have to take darshan the lotus feet of Madan Mohan. Or Govinda Dev, take darshan his beautiful chest. Govinda, very nice, beautiful face, Mukhamandal. Or Gopinath, chest, Bakhasta. So Govinda, Madan Mohan, Govinda Dev and Madan Mohan. Then you can see whole Thakurji darshan. Govinda. Or if you take darshan, Radharaman, then 3 deities are there. Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Samandha, Abhidya and Prayojan Tattva. This thing. So, if you go Vrindavan, you must take darshan. Who is Thakurji? Bolo Radha Raman ki. Brijvasi they are singing. Chhabi dekhi, Radha Raman ki. Chhabi dekhi, Raman ki, Radha Raman ki. Very nice. Very nice, beautiful Vigraha. Small Vigraha. Actually, why am I saying? Because this Vigraha is called self-manifested Vigraha. Not manifested by anyone. It is a self-manifested. That is Sanskrit word that is called Swayambhu. Swayambhu. Someone himself. Bhu means manifest. Vigrahadi. So, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he wrote many granthas also. Our Goswamis wrote many granthas. So, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave instruction to 6 Goswamis and manifest the birthplace of Lord. That is called Krishna's Lupta Tirtha Uddhar. Second, Vigraha Prakash. Third, Grantha Prakash. Have to manifest all our scriptures, Grantha. And also Vidhi Marga and Rag Marga. This, and especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave order to Sanatana Goswami Pad. He have to manifest Vaishnav Suddha Sadachar Grantha. Good behavior of Vaishnav. Suddha Sadachar. Because if you have no Suddha Sadachar, good behavior, you cannot develop your spiritual life. Shruti Smriti Naradadi Pancharating Viding Vina Oikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. You know this sloka? Follow.
I didn't learn the whole.
You don't know?
Smriti Naradadi Pancharating
Viding Vina Oikantiki Harer Bhakti Utpadaki Kevalam. Those who are not following Shruti, Smriti and Narad Pancharatra, and in their mind they are thinking, I am Raganuga Bhakta. So no need to follow any rules. So for this Jika Shastra saying that this is all your bhajan sadhan, that is called Jiva. Utpadaki Kevalam, disturbance to others. Disturbance your mind also. What do you say? Disturbance to others. So first you have to follow the rules and regulation of the Shastra. So Shruti, Smriti, Naradadi, Pancharatri. You have to follow this. Vidhi Marga Rata Jani, Sadhinata Ratna Dane, Raga Marge Korano Pravesh. One who follows the rules and regulation of the Shastra, then he will be qualified to enter in Raganuga Bhakti. This is process of. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad explained the Adu Guru Padasraya. First taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru. Guru Padasraya, Diksha, Siksha, Visambheno, Guru. Step by 64. There are 64 limbs of Bhakti. First Bhakti is called taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru. That is called Guru Padasraya. Then receive Diksha, Siksha, to learn Shastra from Vaishnavas. Visrambheno, Guru Seva. You have to serve Guru. Intimacy. This is Visrambheno Guru. This is the process. These are 64 limbs of Bhakti. First you have to learn Vaishnav Suddha Sadachar. This is very important. How to sit, how to speak. Not just coming out of mouth have to speak. There is offense. Very carefully this way. For this is Rupa Goswami Pad Bhakti nectar of instruction explained here. First to control your Vacha Vegam. Control your speech. What will speak? Just coming out of mouth to speak. No. Vacha Vegam. And control the urges of your speech. And what will speak, what not will speak. And how to speak? Follow. Tadvidhi panipatino poripasrino sevaya upadikshanti te jnanina tattvadarshino. Bhagavad Gita gives evidence everything. If you ask to someone how to behave, very humble. My Gurudev is saying this way. If I qualified, then you give me permission. Then I can ask. You understand? First you think, I what will do not do. So here this in Tad Viddhi, Pranipat, Pariprashna, Sevaya, three things. If you want to know spiritual things from Sadhu Guru Vaishnava, Tad Viddhi, Tad means Bhagavad Tattva. Viddhi means to know. If you want to know about your Lord, Tad Viddhi. Pranipat, first you pay your obeisance. Tad Viddhi, Pranipat. Then Pariprashna, Sevaya. So, Tad Viddhi, Pranipat, Pariprashna, Sevaya. This is coming in this. If I am qualified, then you give me permission, then I can ask some question. As like Parikshit Maharaj, very humble, he asked to Sukadeva Goswami Pad, hey Brahman, I have, if you give me permission, then I ask one question. So it's in the same way. So this is the process also. Srimad Bhagavad Tad Viddhi Pranipat, Tad Viddhi Pranipat and Pariprashna Sevaya. Seva means Seva Vritti. When your servitual mode will come, then you will give answer. Otherwise not. So it's saying Tad Viddhi Pranipat, Pariprashna and Seva. So why am I saying? Because this is called Suddha Sadachar. When you ask any question, first take permission. This is simple way. And how to enter in the house, a room of other person? First you knock the door or not?
Yes.
Knock the door. That means you are asking permission. May I go? I like Bhrigu Rishi. Bhrigu Rishi understand? What is the story of Bhrigu Rishi? Bhrigu Rishi just come and kick the door and direct enter in Narayan. And that time Lakshmi Devi, she was massaging the lotus feet of Narayan. And Bhrigu Rishi, what is called? And he kicked his chest. And there Lord Narayan. Our Lord Narayan very humble. He told, hey Bhrigu Rishi, must be, you have to feel so much pain in your soul. I said, feet, yeah. So this is the process. So you should not do as like Bhrigu Rishi. Only Bhrigu Rishi did this. This Srimad Bhagavatam, very nice katha is there. I am saying because first some etiquette. And when you sit, do pranam, that place. First to pranam, Bhumi Devi, Prithvi Devi. You read Hari Bhakti Vilas very clearly. How to sit, how to eat, how to speak. Everything is there. That is called Vaishnav Suddha Sadachar. When you sit, before sit, you have to pay your obeisance, pranam, Bhumi Devi, Prithvi Devi. This is the process. So just as we coming in this way. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave order, 6 Goswamis, especially 4 things. Lupta Tirtha Uddhar, Grantha Pranayan, then Vigraha Prakash and Vaishnav, there is called Raganuga Marga and Vaidhi Marga Prakash. Rules and regulation of the Vaishnav, and another also Rag Marga. Or especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave order to Sanatana Goswami Pad. There you have to manifest one special book that is called Vaishnava Shuddha Sadachara Grantha, that is called Haribhakti Vilas. As Sanatana Goswami Pad, he asked to Gopal Bhatta Goswami Pad. And he collects some slokas. Because Gopal Bhatta Goswami Pad, he was in South India. And especially before they were in Sri Sampradayas. Sri Sampradayas, Vaishnavas, they are very strict. Their own principles, rules and regulations. Understand? Very strict. They are putting Sikha, big Sikha. And long also. Have you seen or not? If you go see Sampradayas, Vaishnavas, they are Sikhas. Half here, half it. And
Looks very nice. Very
and
nice.
Tilak also very nice. See Sampradaya. This is. And they follow all the rules of Shastra there. All our how do you say, our Archan Devika's Grantha, what's it? Most of the slok collected from Sri Sampradaya. Archan Marga means Vidhi Marga, rules and regulations. Thakurji, how to Archan Thakurji. Most of the slokas and rules also come from Sri Sampradaya. So now coming in this way, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he collects all these slokas, Vidhi Marga and all this, and he gave to Sanatana Goswami Pad. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad, and in serial, very nicely, he manifested this grantha that is called Haribhakti Vilas. Mala Haribhakti Vilas ki. This is the process. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he wrote also many granthas also. He wrote only in the commentary of what is called I have. He wrote in the Sandarbhas. No, Sandarbha he wrote. Jiva Goswami Pad.
Yeah, commentary.
And Arshalam Vedika. Very nice. Krishna Karnamrit Granthas commentary he wrote, I think. I have these granthas. They on the commentary or they on the commentary. Very nice, beautiful these granthas. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami's katha is very sweet and very near and dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And even Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent him, what is called, one, and his door copy also sent. That is mentioned in Bhakti Ratnakar Grantha. So now say door copy Mahaprabhu sent to him. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami's life is very sweet. And for this regard, our three Goswamis mainly. What is his name? Narottam, Samananda and Srinivas. And Samananda Prabhu, what is called? Narottam Das Thakur, he took Diksha from Lokanath Das Goswami. Or Narottam. Samananda Prabhu, he took Diksha from Hridaya Chaitanya. Or Narottam Samananda, Srinivas Acharya, he took Diksha from Sri Gopal Bhatta Goswami. But all they also took Siksha from Jiva Goswami. And they learned everything, Tattva, Siddhanta, everything from Jiva Goswami. Then Jiva Goswami also told to them, you have to preach. Then Narottam Samananda Srinivas, they preach. Narottam Das Thakur, he preached in Manipur. Samananda Prabhu, he preached in Odisha. Narottam Samananda Srinivas Acharya, he preached in what is called? No. We are going there the place. When you go to Nityananda Prabhu's birthplace on the way. When you are going to Ekachakra, in the middle. Just he preached this. Eh? All Goswamis, how they also completely surrender the Guru path. Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, that is called the backbone of our sadhana and bhajan. So, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, so today is disappearance day. And he performed, mostly he performed bhajan and sadhana in, what is it called? No, when you are going to Brajamandala Parikrama, and Gopal Bhatta Goswami's Samadhi Stali or Bhajan Stali, we are going to Nandagaon and Barsana in middle. Sanket. You do this, they are very nice, beautiful. And the Sanket Stali. Then you go to the Gopal Bhatta Goswami's and Bhajan Stali and also Samadhi Stali there. Very nice, beautiful place is there. Because there are many Sanket Stali, Vrindavan, Brajamandal. Sanket means to give sign. Then when Krishna played the flute, then gopis they came. So there also one Sanket Stali. You went or not? You forgot everything. Forget everything or not?
Not everything, hopefully.
You forget everything, don't forget Krishna. Smartabo sadata Vishnu. Vismartabo na jatu kahichit. You forget everything, but don't forget to Krishna. So, Gopal Bhatta Goswami's time, place is there also. And if you go also on the bank of Radha Kunda also there, no? There also the Goswami's Bhajan Sthali, or Goswami they perform Bhajan Sthali. Bolo Gopal Bhatta Goswami ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Very nice katha also I want to speak. Saman Narottam and Srinivasa Acharya. How is high class Vaishnava? This Srinivasa Acharya. His disciple name Ramchandra Kaviraj. So Narottam Das Thakur says Ramachandra Sangha Mage Narottama Das. Narottam, Samananda, Srinivasa, they are same category. Or Ramchandra Kaviraj, he is the disciple of Srinivasa Acharya. And one Srinivasa Acharya completely absorbed in his samadhi. 3-4 days he completely sitting in his asana. He is not moving. Then everybody thinking maybe he left his body. That time Narottam Das Thakur came. Then Narottam Das Thakur told no, he did not give up his body. Then he called his disciple Ramachandra Kaviraj. And Ramachandra Kaviraj came, and Ramachandra Kaviraj he sat in front of him and told, until return back my body, don't want touch my body and touch my Gurudev body. Both are sitting. Then he also in his transcendental body, Ramchandra Kaviraj, he attended Golok Vrindavan, and come, doing so. Very nice. All the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika is there. They are taking bath in the Jamuna. Then he asked Gurudev, what happened? All you are here, but everybody also cried for you. That time he told, yes, Srimati Radhika, today she lost her nose ring. So everybody are looking, no one can find out. Then Ramachandra Kaviraj in his transcendental body, he also jumped in the water of the Jamuna and he found that nose ring. And he gave and Gurudev. Then he gave his Gurudev and Gunamanjari. And then Gunamanjari he gave to Srimati Rupa Manjari Pandit Lalita. Then gave to Srimati Radhika. Then again returned back. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Bolo Jai Jai Shri Ram. For this regard, Narottam Das Thakur sang this one. Narottama sang, Ramachandra Sangha Mage Narottama Das. Eh? Ramchandra Kaviraj. Very powerful. Eh? Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Jai. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo Govinda Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala
You've been speaking about Vishrambhena Guru Seva. And
What is the meaning of Vishnu?
service to one's Gurudev with love and affection, intimacy, as per their moods and desire.
Intimacy service, which stage? Sadhguru, service Guru, intimacy service. When you come in the stage of at least Bhagavata, that is called, if you don't know the mood of Guru, how to serve properly. Guru told his disciple, bring water. Which water do you bring? You understand? Tap water. Which water? Distillery water, bottled water. Eh? We bring water on the tray. Eh? Or hold, give. Eh? Which water do you bring? And warm water or cold water? This is the process also. That means one who realizes the heart of Guru, then he can serve properly. Honestly tell you this, mostly disciples, they serve the Guru imposing Arop Siddha Bhakti. Then coming Sangha Siddha. Then third stage coming Sarupa Siddha Bhakti. Vishrambhena Guru Seva actually the high stage. And Gurudev one day he gave lecture about this katha. You read? You read also, I think so. If you not read, then you can read this also. What is the meaning of Vishrambhena Guru Seva? Because all our Shastra given the highest example. Understand? When you give the example, which example give? Highest. But we have to start from lowest, step by step. So for the Vishrambhena Guru Seva. so much intimacy. Then that time you are thinking, my heart and Gurudev heart is same. And sometimes give an example as like Vivaha mantra. Vivaha mantra, understand? And you are brahmachari, no need to.
Marriage.
Eh? When we did marriage ceremony, that time we are chanting one mantra, the Vedas mantra. 3 mantras are there. One mantra is called what? Eh? Your heart is my heart is your heart. Tava hidam, mama hidam, tava. That means there are no difference, your heart and my heart. In the same way, okay, when you realize this, and you serve the same way, as like Raghunath Das Goswami, servicing to Rupa Goswami Pad. Not the physically, very nice sweet words. Bilap Goswami first look. Okay, understand? Tam Rupa Manjari Patita Puri Osmin. Raghunath Das Goswami completely absorbed in his transcendental constitutional form, Siddhadev, Rati Manjari. And saying to Rupa Manjari, not Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. Tam Rupa Manjari, here saying this word, Tam Rupa Manjari Patita Puri Osmin. Here Rupa Manjari, I know you are chaste lady, chaste wife. Understand? And you will never see face of other person except your own husband. Husband to own. Own husband.
Other's husband, possible. Other's husband.
Okay.
English was like this.
Huh?
You can say other's husband.
Okay, no problem. But I know. Rati Manjari is saying, I know. Few days your husband not in your house. But I am looking some spot marks on your lips. And your lips are very nice, beautiful, attractive. As like bimba fal. Ripen? Reddish color bimba fruit. Oh, maybe Sugapunga Veno. Maybe one big parrot came and the parrot thinking, oh, this is bimba fruits. For that the parrot bite here. These types of Guru Seva. We can understand what kinds of these things. You understand? This is called Guru Bandhana. We cannot say this way. If you say this is your Swajya, you cannot say this. Arupa Goswami is called Rati Manjari. A Raghunath Das Goswami, first look of Vilapa Kusmanjali slogan. So you get a different stage of the Visrambhenu Guru. You understand? Gaur Premanand. Jai Jai Sri. All Arati, the time is over. Other Nisima Prabhu. His Thakurji was very nice. Do pranam. When you come, you do pranam. Every single day. You do pranam. Bolo Radha Rani ki.